In this video, we will be talking about the oral vocabulary words from Unit 6, Week 2. Our first vocabulary word this week is inspire. Say it with me. Inspire. To inspire is to make someone want to do something. The smell of breakfast inspires the children to get out of bed. Who has inspired you to do something special? Our next vocabulary word is respect. Say it with me. Respect. When you respect someone, you admire and look up to him or her. The players respect Coach Dotson because she is a great soccer player and treats everyone fairly. Who do you respect? Our next vocabulary word is decision. Say it with me. Decision. When you make a decision, you make a choice. After looking at all the flavors, Amy made a decision. She would have vanilla. What decisions have you made today? Our next vocabulary word is distance. Distance is how far one thing is from another, or the space between two things. The distance between Joe and the tree is 5 feet. How can you measure the distance between your chair and the door? Our last vocabulary word for this week is swiftly. Say that with me. Swiftly. When the rabbit saw the fox, it ran swiftly to its home. When do you move swiftly? Those were our vocabulary words for Unit 6, Week 2.